sound of letter A. That is the sound of letter A. What is the action for letter A when you are saying the sound of letter A? Likewise, you are pushing the ant from your hands. Likewise, you are pushing the ant from your hands. Yes, we will say the sound of letter A now with action. Okay, now we will go to rhyme. Hope you all remember the lyrics. Okay, now you are going to sing along with me now. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. We'll repeat again. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. They're causing me alarm. Okay, I'll repeat it. I'll give a quick recap. The sound of letter S is, when you're saying the sound, you will be doing the action of shape of the letter yes. The sound of letter A is A. When you're saying A sound, you will be doing the action like pushing the ant from your hand. Okay, now today we are going to letter T. Today we are going to see about letter T. Okay. Now I will say what is the action for, what is the sound and how to do the action for letter T first. Okay. I think you can see the picture over there. Okay. See one side. To the left side, one honeybee is there, and to the right side, one mouse is there. Yes, they both are playing tennis. They both are playing tennis. Okay. Just remember, to your left side. To your left side, honeybee is there. To your right side, mouse is there. They both are playing tennis. They both are playing tennis. Yes. Can you imagine? Okay. Even they both are playing tennis, when the ball comes and hits on the bat, what sound? Yes, that is the sound we will get when the ball comes and hits the tennis bat. Okay, so that is the sound of letter T. What is the sound of letter T? Okay, that is the sound of letter T. Okay. Now we learned what is the sound of letter T and what is the action we have to do when we are saying the sound. Yes, already I told honeybee is playing left side of you, and to the other side, right, mouse is playing, and you are sitting on watching the tennis game. Okay, so when you are watching that, so when mouse is hitting the ball, it will go to honeybee. So what you will do? You will turn from your right to left to see whether honeybee is exactly hitting the ball or not. Yes. And when the honeybee is hitting the ball, it will come to mouse, that is right side. So what will be the action when you are watching the tennis game? Left, turning left. Again you will be turning to right. Turning left, right, left, right. You will be turning your head from left, right, right. Yes, that is the action you have to do when you are saying the sound of letter T. Yes, you are watching the game, tennis game. Who is playing over there? Left side honeybee and mouse. So they both are playing now. So you are going to see where the ball is going. So the ball will go from your left side to right side. Left to right. Left to right. right to left. Yes. Okay. So when they are playing, what sound you will get? When the ball is coming and hitting on the ball, what sound you will get? Yes. So now we will say the sound of letter T with the action. You have to turn left to right. Okay. Hope you all are saying along with me by muting your audio. With the action. Okay. Now we will go to rhyme. What is rhyme? First I will sing slowly. You get the lyrics from me and then we will sing along. Okay? Yes. When I watch the tennis game. When I watch the tennis game. When I watch the tennis game. My head goes back and forth. My head goes back and forth. Again, I will say it slowly. When I watch the tennis game. When I watch the tennis game. My head goes back and forth. Hope you all got the lyrics. Yes, you will sing along with me now. When I watch a tennis game. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. When I watch the tennis game. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Okay. Yes. After this session, you can go to Jolly Phonics letter T rhymes and you can play this rhyme and sing along with that. Okay. Yes. So even if you can't follow with us now, you can do like that. Okay, now till now we saw the sound of letter T and the action for letter T. Okay, next the rhyme of letter T, and now we are going to see the words that begin with letter T. The words begin with letter T. Yes. One moment, I'll just zoom it. Treasure. What is the first one? Treasure. Treasure. What is treasure? Hope you all remember. We played treasure hunt game in LKG and UKG. The teacher will hide something and they will ask you to find it out. Yes. It might be the pictures of letter S, T and some other things also she will hide and she will ask you to find it out. That is called treasure. Treasure means precious. Treasure. Okay. Tree. 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 Truck. 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 Next one. Tractor. 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 Here in this word, you can see word letter sound. We are seeing in the beginning of this word as well as in the middle of this word also. Tractor. Tractor. So here we are using two times in this word, beginning as well as in the middle. Okay. Trunk. 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 Next one. Trunk. Traffic light. Traffic light. Traffic light. So here also traffic light. In the light we are using at the end of the word. Kanna, please mute your audio so that we can continue our session. It's disturbing everybody. Traffic light. Yes, next. Trees. 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 If it is one tree, we will say it as. If it is only one is there, we will say it as.
1 minute, ma'am. Pragalpa. One has kindly mute your audio, Kanna. Pragalpa, kindly mute your audio. Yes, thank you very much. Yes, ma'am. Savitri, ma'am, you can proceed.
So if only one is there, we will say it as tree. And if more than one is there, we will say it as trees. 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 And next is tracks. Tracks. Railway track. You all know that the train will move on the railway track. Track. Okay, I will give you a very quick recap of all the words we saw. Pressure, tree, truck, tractor, trunk, traffic light, trees, tracks. Okay, now we will move on to the next one. Now we are going to see the words with T in the middle and at the end. Words with the T in the middle and at the end. Okay, now we will see the first word. Buttons. Buttons. Now here we are seeing it in the middle of the word. We are getting the sound in the middle of the word. Okay. Guitar. 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 We are getting this sound in the middle of the word. Kitten. Kitten. Here also we are getting the sound in the middle of the word. Now we are going to see the sound at the end. Kit. Kit. Here it is coming at the end. Kit. Boat. 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 We are getting t sound at the end. We are getting t sound at the end. Fruits. Fruits. Fruit. Fruit. When we are saying fruit, we are getting t sound at the end. Yes. Now we will have a quick recap of all these words. Buttons, guitar, kitten, kit, boat and fruits. Okay. Already we are running out of the time. I will give a very quick recap before we are going to sentence. Children, close your eyes. We are having 1 minute break now. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Yes, look up. Look up. Look down. Look up. Look down. Mute your audio. Turn to your left. Turn to your right. Turn to your left. Turn to your right. Yes, close your eyes again. Look forward. Look straight. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Take your hands. Press your eyes gently with your fingers. Press your eyes gently with your fingers. Press slowly. Press. Should not give too much pressure. Press. Yes, take your hands. Yes, open your eyes slowly. Yes, slowly open your eyes. Yes, now you feel relaxed. Now check whether you are sitting in straight position. Sit straight. Stretch your arms, whether you are having one arm distance from your eyes to the screen. Check whether you are having one arm distance from the eyes to your screen. Please mute your audio. Yes. Okay, now we finished off with 1 minute break. Now we will back to the session. Please, parents and children, if you are unmuting your audio, our session is getting prolonged. Kindly do understand, kindly mute your audio. Who is that? Sangeeta ma'am, please name them.
Dia of Dia of I didn't see the section. Dia, kindly mute your audio, Kanna. Dia.
Yes, ma'am. I think you can continue with the sentences. We are running out of the time actually.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much. Okay, children. Now, Savitri ma'am has taught you about that letter T sound with the action, right? And we saw about the middle letter which starts with letter T, then the beginning sound, then the end letter with the T. Everything with the where we get the sound of the T letter. The sound, right? Okay. Now we will go on to the sentences. We'll just go ahead and read the sentences. Yes, sir. See, first, in the first sentence, ma'am first read the sentence, then tell you how to go about with that letter, particular letter, what we are saying. What is the letter we are saying now? T letter, right? We'll see the sound of the T. How it comes about in that particular sentence. Okay. They at dinner at the table. See, children, in this first sentence, you can see they. See, in that you are not getting the sound of sound. You are not getting the sound. See, when this letter has one, every letter has one sound. Okay. So when it joins with another letter, especially in this sentence, you can see when T joins with H, you get the sound So, sound. They. Okay. They had dinner at. See the sound? Okay. The sound you're getting. Okay. So you're not getting sound. You can see the difference. It is right? See, when it is TH, you're getting sound. When it is T alone, you're getting sound. Okay. So they had dinner at the table. Okay, I hope you can understand in this first sentence what is the difference between TH sound and T sound. Sound, right? You are getting sound. Whereas in the T letter alone, you are getting sound. Right? Okay, we'll move on to the next one. E wants 3. See, sound. 3 coffees. Coffee. See the sound. You are getting the sound. Coffees. Yes. Okay, children. Okay, hope you understood. Again, I repeat the second one. Yes, now you can hear my voice clearly. Okay, I repeat. Yes, I repeat the second sentence. E wants 3 toffees. See, in the word wants. When it is joined with yes, the sound of the T will go lower. Okay, so right. Okay, now we will go on to the third sentence. She is our class teacher. See the T. So you can see the sound T. Sound. Savitri ma'am, I hope my voice is clear, right? Savitri ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, sir, because I'm getting a message that my voice is not clear. That is what. Okay.
Sometimes it's breaking, now it's working. You start.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, next, we'll move on to the next sentence. She has white teeth. See, white. See, you get the sound. White teeth. Teeth. See, in this word teeth, you are having two teeth, the two T letter, right? The sound you are getting t sound, right? Teeth. I hope you understood, right? She has white teeth. See the sound, teeth. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next sentence. Tennis is a favorite sport. See, now you can see the sound in that first word, tennis. Tennis, right? You are getting that sound. Okay, is a favorite. Sound. You are getting the sound. Can you hear it? Favorite sport. See the sound. Okay. Tennis is a favorite sport. Tennis is a favorite sport. Okay. Now we'll move on to the sixth sentence. Yes. First, I'll read the sentence for you. Okay. Using toothpaste will keep your teeth clean. Okay. So in this sentence, you can see the first word, toothpaste. Using toothpaste. See, in the first word, tooth, you are getting T, two letters. You can see two T's over there. Tooth. See that sound? Tooth. Sound you are getting. Then in the paste. Can you see it? So using toothpaste, okay, will keep your teeth. See, teeth. The sound. Teeth. Okay, teeth clean. I hope you're following me, right, children? Yes. Okay, we'll move on to the seventh one. That building is so tall. Yes, you can see that sound, the but the same letter you can see that word. T is ending, right? That building is so tall. See the sound, tall. Okay, children. So I'll just have a recap of all the 7 sentences. Okay, just a fast recap. They had dinner at the table. He wants 3 coffees. She is a class teacher. She has white teeth. Tennis is a favorite sport. Using toothpaste will keep your teeth clean. That building is so tall. Okay, children. Sahitya, kindly mute your audio, Kanna. Okay, fine. Yes, now we'll move on to the comprehension passage. Okay. Yes, sir. This, see, you can see there's a 4 to 5 lines content in this passage. We just have to read the passage. This is only for reading. Read the passage, and from this passage, questions will be asked. Here, some sentences are given in blanks. We have to fill it up. Okay, children, I hope you have to listen to ma'am carefully. I want only your answers. Okay, give your answers to your parents and let them chart it in the icon box. Okay, then only I will tell you the answer. If it is right or wrong, you have to tell me. Okay, children, come on, we'll go for it. See the cat. See the sound. And you are getting the sound. Yes, I can see the cat. See, first sound is there. Sound is there. See the cat. I can see the cat. The cat is fat. Can you see the difference? The sound and sound. Okay. The cat has a hat. Okay. I read the sentence once again. See the cat. I can see the cat. The cat is fat. The cat has a hat. Yes. Okay, now we'll move on to the sentences. I can see the dash. Okay, there are two answers here. I want your answer. What you can see? What is the picture here? Yes, from the second sentence, we can see, I can see the what? There are three answers here. Dog, rat, cat. What will be the answer? Yes, it is cat. I can see the cat. Okay, now we'll move on to the second one. The cat is, yes. Now you can see in the passage the second sentence. The cat is what answer is given there, right? Here the three answers option is given. Let's go ahead and check it out what it is. Sad, big, fat. So what will be the answer? Yes, it is fat. Yes, I got the answer. The cat is fat. Good. Okay. Now, the third one. The cat has a dash. What are the three answers given here? Mat, hat, ball. Okay, what is the answer? Yes, it is hat. The cat has a hat. Yes, okay. So I hope you understood the comprehension passage, right? You have to read the sentence. From that, questions will be asked. You have to answer it. Yes, it is story time. I'll just not fast. It is very easy and simple story. Okay. Yes, it is all about the letter T. The story is all about letter T. Yes. What is the story name? Tim and the tiny tortoise. Tim and the tiny tortoise. Yes. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Can you move on to the next slide? Tim the baby tiger is sitting in a tent on a rainy day. Tim the baby tiger is sitting in a tent on a rainy day. Okay, let's see what happened next. There is a teapot and two cups on a table. There is a teapot and two cups on a table. Yes. I hope you are listening to ma'am, right? Okay. He sees Tina. He sees Tina, the tiny tortoise. He sees Tina, the tiny tortoise. Who sees that? Tim the tiger, the baby tiger, sees Tina. Who's Tina here? Tortoise. Yes. He asked her to come in. He asked her to come in. Where is the tiger, baby tiger, calling the tortoise to come inside the tent, right? Why is he calling? Because it is raining, right? Okay, fine. Yes, ma'am. Will you drink tea with me? Says Tim. What is he asking? Will you drink tea with me? Okay. So anyone as a guest who comes to our house, we'll offer them a cup of tea or a coffee or even a cool drink, right? Likewise, the baby tiger, Tim the baby tiger is offering a